Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Joe the Baker and this is One Bread Bakery. On today's episode, I'll be making bread pudding. Now, I love bread pudding so much, I once forced a coworker of mine to travel up and down Juneau, Alaska looking for some place that served it. So, Josh, this episode is dedicated to you. So without any further ado, let's get into the ingredients and start this bread pudding. To make this sourdough chocolate bread pudding could not be easier. You'll need 2.5 cups of sourdough bread cubed up. Now you can use any type of crusted bread, but I made this loaf this morning, so I figured why not. You'll need 1/2 cup of dark chocolate chopped. You'll need 2 tablespoons of butter melted, 3 eggs, a cup of half and half, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. You'll need 1/2 cup of granulated sugar for the mix, and then another 1/4 cup of granulated sugar to sprinkle on top. Now you're gonna bake this in an oven preheated at 350 degrees in an 8x8 casserole dish. That's it. So let's go ahead and start making our bread pudding. Now the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take our bread chunks and we're gonna throw those into the casserole dish with our chocolate. Now in a separate bowl, we're gonna go ahead and mix our 1/2 cup of sugar. We're gonna go ahead and beat that with our eggs. Next, we're gonna take our half and half and slowly pour it into the egg sugar mix. All right, next we're gonna go ahead and add our butter, salt, and cinnamon. All right, now we're gonna take our liquid and we're gonna pour it right over our chocolate and bread chunks here. Take our 1/4 cup of sugar and sprinkle that on top. So now we're gonna go ahead and throw this into the oven, again at 350 degrees, between 45 to 60 minutes. What we're looking for is that it's no longer runny in the middle. Now in the meantime, let's go ahead and make our sauce. To make the sauce, we're gonna go ahead and melt the butter in a saucepan over medium heat. I'm gonna add the flour and whisk to combine. Add the sugar. Next, we're gonna add the creamer and add it a little at a time. And whisk this continuously until it becomes thick. Add the vanilla. A little bit of salt. All right. It's done. There you have it, guys. Chocolate sourdough bread pudding with some vanilla sauce to go right on top of it. What could be better? You know what I'm gonna do? Dig right into it. Oh yeah. Let's drizzle some of this vanilla sauce on top. It's gooey in the middle, crusty on the outside. Just tastes amazing. Well, another sweet one. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. You know I always do. And if you did like it, please consider subscribing. Hitting that like icon lets me know that you guys really appreciate what I'm doing. But, you know, leave a comment if you like. Always happy to hear what you guys have to say or recommend. And if you guys are joining me from Whiskey Thieves TV, thanks for stopping by. And if you guys want to join us over there, please consider it. You're just a couple of guys having some fun drinking whiskey. So until next time, be good, be safe, and take care of one another. Ciao. Oh God. Oh, good.